Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to make one of my all-time favorite Eurasian meals, Semore. Be sure to check out the description for the ingredient list and the recipe. To start with, take out the larger onion. Hand for scale, because I have tiny hands. And here's the smaller one to compare. Hand for scale for both. Cut off the end piece, cut it in half. Judge my knife skills, and then cut it into 1 centimeter slices. And of course always remember to be careful when handling a knife. Okay, next we need to prepare the ginger. For this we're going to need 3 thumb-sized pieces. I'll be using my thumb once again for scale. Don't forget to invite your garlic to the party as well, otherwise they'll feel left out. Now transfer the sliced onion, garlic and ginger into a food processor and not a blender like we did. As you can see, this took quite a few attempts until we realized, hey, they might not actually be the same thing. Now you want to keep mixing it up until you've got a soft grainy texture, similar to minced garlic. Although I didn't do the best job of showing this on camera, this is what it should look like. Once you've got the consistency just right, stick it in a bowl and place it off to the side somewhere. Alright, now it's time to prepare the meat. As a creature of habit, I'm going to be using my thumb as a measuring stick once again. This time using about 2/3 of my thumb instead of the whole thing, to about there. Now to make your slice of hope, and check the thumb for reference, and there you go. Slice, 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 slice. Slice, 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 chop, chop, slice, slice, slop. Once your chicken's done, transfer it to a bowl and get it ready to marinate with the lovely ginger goop that we made earlier. Yes, it feels like slimy mush. Yeah, it's fine, just get on with it, it's fine. It smells great, so it's alright. Sadly, the camera decided to die at this moment, so we missed the initial mixing of the sauce into the marinade, but as you can see, this is what it's supposed to look like, so just carry on as if nothing happened. For this next step, we're going to cut up the remaining vegetables. First, take the onion and cut off the little nibbly bit there, and then we want to cut it into quarters. Alright, it's time for the carrots. So for these, we're going to cut them into 1-inch slices. Like that. Next we're going to take the potatoes and cut these into quarters. Alright, time to get cooking. As 6 tablespoons of oil is a relatively large amount as we're usually used to cooking with, we did decide to measure it out here. Once the oil's hot enough, you then want to gently place in the onion, cinnamon stick, and the cloves. Then just gently give that a fondle over the next 5 minutes on a low heat. Just want to highlight a mistake here. We threw the bay leaf in by accident. Don't do that. Just wait until the potatoes go in and then you throw it in. but if you do, it doesn't really matter too much. When the onions start to brown and it officially smells like Christmas morning, that's when you want to throw in the chicken. Now you want to just swoosh that around in the pan until the chicken is no longer pink on the outside and it's ready to go for a nice hot bath. Before we do that though, let's just give him a quick drink. After all, bathing is thirsty work. Now bring it back to a boil, slap the lid on and reduce it to a simmer for 45 minutes. Good evening, sir. How are you doing? Just gonna rub the shoulders there. Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah, feeling good? Yeah, yeah. Need any more water or anything just yet? No? No? Alright, okay, cool. Can I offer you a quick snack? Some potatoes, perhaps? Yes? Very good, very good. Here you go. What's that? More? Okay. Here you go. Feeling hungry today, I see. What's that? Thirsty again? Ah, not a problem. It is a hot bath after all. And back to sleep. Morning! Did I hear you had a craving for carrots? A telltale sign of knowing when your chicken is good to go is when it starts to pull apart, as you'll see here. It's just starting to shred, just very easily. Just a little bit of pressure and look at that. Oh, try again. And there you go. Perfect, that's exactly what you want. Now just do another check again, see how your potatoes are doing. If they're not quite as soft as you'd like them, this of course depends on your own personal preference, but if it's not soft enough, then keep cooking for a little bit longer. Same as well for your carrots. You just want them to be as firm as you prefer to have them. Once all of your ingredients have reached the desired texture, you then want to add the vinegar. Quick taste test to see where you're at. There we go. Careful, it's quite hot. How good is that? Okay guys, be honest. Tell me in the comments what that first taste was like for you. Please be honest. If you didn't like it, let me know. We can work together to make this better. If you did love it, please tell me as well, because I absolutely love this meal. Alright, now the Semore is ready, it's time to eat. Typically this is served with rice, although you can eat this with mash, more potatoes, yay! Or even pasta, it's up to you. Anyway guys, I'd like to thank you for watching my how to make Semore tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to click the like button and also consider subscribing, as I really appreciate the support. See you later!